Alrighty, so let's read another story by another accountant bookkeeper. Let's just get in it. Okay, so a business owner reached out to us asking if it was possible to reconstruct 3 years of financial records because their laptop had crashed. When they asked whether there were backups, bank statements, or records from vendors, they said no. Everything had been stored locally on the computer. Okay, I'm curious how this is going to work out. All right, so they explained, however, that they had a very good, they had a very good memory and could pretty much remember where most of the money went. They offered to sit down and talk through the expenses month by month and said they could even drive around town and point out businesses they regularly spent money at if that helped. When they asked how they wanted income verified, they said they were confident it would all even out once everything was written down. Oh, my Lord, have mercy. Okay, so there's a few things in here. We're going to kind of break it down. One, back up. Make sure you back up everything. If you're keeping everything stored locally on a computer, man, it is not hard to do like a Google Drive backup or some sort of iThingy backup. I don't do iThingies. It's just do some sort of cloud backup. A lot of people are a little leery of it. And if you are, put it on a drive or something, like a little thumb drive. But you got to back this stuff up because if your computer crashes and everything was there, you're really not in a good position now because you've got to be able to access those records. Now, the fact that they're just saying they pretty much remember, you would think that's outlandish, but I've actually had clients tell me, hey, just put $20 there for this thing. I remember I spent it. It was just in cash, but I can't find the receipt, and that's good enough. Okay, that's good enough for you. But if you plan on giving these to your CPA to file your taxes, then it's not going to be good enough for an audit. If an IRS agent comes in and they look at some of these and they don't have any kind of documentation backup, they're going to scratch them from your expenses. And if you do enough of those, that can really, really make a huge dent in your deductions. So make sure you have your documents. Make sure you back up. Bless their hearts. I'm hoping they did not move forward with this client, but you never know.